Awakening is life.
Lone bird felt the pinch of staying alone. There are two forms of self-awareness. It stems from the genes. It flows from the cosmic reservoir. If you don't want to die like that lone bird,
You are watching Brilliant Awareness serial.
thousands of birds lived happily in the grand, cool water bodies of the Arctic land. When the time for migration came, they started to fly in large numbers to faraway places. One bird rebelled, saying, "Migration is painful, exhausting, and full of suffering. Moreover, hundreds of us die while going and coming back again." Its companions listened with concern and said, "You are completely correct. But our hearts are hushing strongly that we have to live by all means." So they left, leaving the rebelling bird alone in the vast Arctic land. As the days passed, the climate became very chill and the water body started freezing. The lone bird felt the pinch of staying alone and starving highly, since the whole region was covered with thick ice. Without food, it became slimmer and slimmer, weaker and weaker, and fell down on the ice, dying. And the gentle snowfall slowly buried in silence and solitude of the Arctic region.
To get this series of videos, click the subscribe button and the like button below this video.
The lone bird that stayed back in Arctic land died because it lacked life-saving self-awareness. Self-awareness is knowing what is happening within you, around you, from moment to moment. There are two forms of self-awareness. One is the conceptual self-awareness that operates in the rational level, and the other is the embodied self-awareness that operates in the sense level. The conceptual self-awareness is being aware of your thoughts, concepts, reflections, reviews, discussions, decisions, judgments, plans, programs, etc. They rise and fall like the fireworks in the dark sky of the mind, escaping the conscious awareness. They bloom from the limited data we acquire through seeing, hearing, and learning through events and experiences. They are not deep, complete, reliable, or workable. Yet the society convinces and compels you and me to live by that shallow knowledge. As they are neither life-oriented nor life-sustaining, they breed death and decay through all kinds of psychosomatic illnesses like stress, strain, depressions, and traumas. Developing conceptual self-awareness by watching your mind may alleviate or even heal these pain and sufferings.
This is Boundless Way for Timeless Living channel.
The embodied self-awareness works in the sense level. It is sensing the various inner states like pain, pleasure, itching, irritations, emotions, impulses, needs and wants. The wisdom from the embodied self-awareness is purer, deeper, bigger and healthier than the knowledge from the shallow conceptual self-awareness. It is purer because the wisdom flows from all the five senses directly without being filtered and interpreted by the mind according to the whims and fancies, desires and aversions. It is deeper because it stems from the genes that hold the cumulative wisdom from the multitude of generations through evolution. It is bigger because it flows from the cosmic reservoir directly into your very being like a flash of lightning. It is healthier because it is fundamental to our survival and holistic well-being like breathing, heart beating and eating. If you don't want to die like that lone bird stayed back in Arctic land, start immediately to learn the art of embodied self-awareness and live forever. We shall see more about this in the upcoming video of the Brilliant Awareness serial.
Thank you for enjoying this video. Share this video with your friends and groups. Don't forget to press the like button and the subscribe button. Register your valuable comments and ideas about this video in the YouTube.